Okay, ITH gang is here, taking care of everything. There's Bart, the back of Bart. He's the boss. You can see the crew is all here.
We're blessed with the task.
So fortunate and grateful to you guys and appreciative.
Absolutely.
Yeah, they're getting this all knocked out here.
Put right back together.
Yep, as promised.
Yeah, let me throw one in here real quick.
Even if it's for a temporary fix, right?
Yes.
But we'll get it together until the new stuff comes in.
That's right.
Because I know those are special order boards.
They
so,
are.
Yep.
They are, unfortunately.
Yep.
That's why we kind of cringed when it happened, but
It's okay. Things happen.
can you give it a tap under there with your hammer?
And they're,
It'll actually seal up really well. And I'll put some zinc silicone.
man, they're working down here too. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Couple more taps. And then put me right in place though. Put me right on this black end over here. It helps if it goes in place. Cool.
All right. Yep. The whole crew is over here. And I'm beginning the decorations up there. And hopefully I'll be finished up, and we'll all be finished up by Friday evening. Okay.